There are many hidden teachings of the Bible that explain manifestation, consciousness, and oneness. Although debatable amongst many as books that were never included to begin with, there are teachings and secret knowledge that were once hidden away from the majority of the population. Without researching this or coming across a video such as this, many will never know some of these missing keys to creating reality specifically and the divine manner in which they were delivered. Our current Bible does include a handful of verses that indicate these things, and although the Bible does not directly use the term law of attraction, few would argue that it is a book of bridging the spiritual realm with the material physical realm. There are many indirect as well as direct references to this law. Here are a few verses you may already be familiar with that provide clues to our personal power as creators. And whatever things you ask in prayer, believing, you will receive. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be opened to you. The kingdom of heaven is within you. If you can believe, all things are possible to him who believes. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. And do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. According to your faith, shall it be done to you. Blessings will be on those who have not seen, but yet have believed. I have come to teach you about what is, and what was, and what will be, in order for you to understand the invisible world and the world that is visible.